Today we show how to activate website tracking on Odoo websites with Facebook Meta Pixel script. Let's start with the app installation. You need the website sale Facebook Pixel app. After uploading this module to your system, install it. When the installation process will be completed, go to the website menu, configuration settings, and activate the global tracking setting for the current website. Additionally, you can activate the debug login. In this case, detailed messages will be added to your browser console and Odoo system log. After that, create a new tracking service for Facebook Pixel. Go to the Configuration Tracking Services menu and create a new service. Specify the Facebook Pixel type for this service. Moving on now, let's get the Facebook Pixel ID from the Meta Event Manager. Create or select the required pixel from data sources and copy the dataset ID. Put this ID to the key field and save it. You can activate the internal logs option for debug or analytical purposes. Let's do this. On the next step, we will configure the advanced matching. Follow to your Events Manager and activate the Advanced Matching option on the Setting tab. After that, activate the corresponding option on the Odoo side. Let's test our website tracking. You need to log out from Odoo or use the incognito mode to test the Facebook Pixel. Now, we will go through the customer's path in the e-commerce funnel. Let's start with our product catalog. If you are using the browser extension Meta Pixel Helper, you can check events with it. Let's add some product to favorites and another one to the cart. Open one of the product and add it to the cart as well. We can check events with the Meta Pixel Helper. Then go to the favorites and add to the cart from this list. Okay, now we can begin the checkout process. Go to the cart and initiate the purchase. On this step, fill in the customer data and click on the Continue Checkout. Now select the payment method and click on Pay Now. Finally, we are on the confirmation page. That is the last step on the customer path. Let's check our internal logs for this event. Go to the website, configuration, tracking services menu, and choose Tracking Service. Now click on the Logs button to view logs. So as you can see, all our e-commerce events were logged and you can analyze them. Finally, let's test the Facebook events with the test events page. First of all, log out from Odoo. Then on the Events Manager side, go to the Test Events tab and choose the Confirm your website events are set up correctly. You need to put your website URL and click to open website. So now go to the product catalog and we can see the related event, view content. Another one, add to cart, add to wish list, search, and initiate checkout. So this way you can test your Facebook Pixel and ensure that everything correctly configured.